welcome. Today we're going to be in our Doodle and Do exploration notes, so make sure you get those out. I'm going to flip to page 10. And page 10 is the simile and metaphor section. You should have the top section completed. You did that with Mrs. Steinley earlier. So now we're going to work on our metaphor section. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm going to flip around my camera. There we go. So in case you missed it, a simile compares two things using the words like or as. So we could distinguish those easily if we look for those two words. And our examples were, my grandma is as sweet as sugar, and my brother is as fierce like a lion, or is fierce like a lion, excuse me. So now we're going to look at metaphors. And if you listen to Mrs. Walker's Prezi video just a few slides ago, then you probably know that metaphors don't use like or as. Instead, and let's write this down together, a metaphor compares two things by stating one thing is another. Now you can go ahead and pause this video so you can get that down. I know I'm a quick writer. So go ahead and pause it, get that written down, and hit play again. Okay, so yes, a metaphor compares two things by stating one thing is another. We're not saying it's like another. We're saying it is another. Here's some examples down here. Now, if you went to the beach and you forgot to put on suntan lotion, you might be a lobster. And that just means that you are very red, right? Because you got burnt by the sun. Another metaphor is her heart was gold. Because we're saying was, like it actually is gold. Now, is it actually gold? Of course not, right? It's a metaphor. It just means that she's a very good person. Down here, we have sadness is a black hole. Ooh, that one's kind of sad. I'm going to put a little sad face there. So we're not saying sadness is like a black hole. We're saying sadness is a black hole. So that is why it's a metaphor. Let's come up with some examples here. We'll put two examples here since we have two up on similes. So let's see here. How about he is a shiny star? He is a shiny star. This is a metaphor because I'm saying that he is a shining star. I'm comparing we'll call him George. We're comparing George to a shiny star by saying he is a shiny star. Maybe George was really good in class this week, and I wanted to recognize him by giving him a Star Character Award. I could say that he is a shiny star. Let's come up with another one. I was trying to think of one that is maybe a little bit more exciting. So I was thinking about dragons and their sharp teeth. So I was thinking a metaphor could be the dragon's teeth are white daggers. Yeah. The dragon's teeth are white daggers. So that's just a way, of course, for me to compare the dragon's teeth to daggers, that they're very sharp. Don't forget your apostrophe S here. That's it. That's all we need to write down on this section of our doodle notes. Now, please enjoy the simile and metaphor song that's coming up on your next slide. Bye.